Hello and welcome to this unboxing of my new Logitech illuminated keyboard. So the obvious benefits of this keyboard are that the keys can be illuminated and it is quite thin, very thin indeed. So here's the keyboard in a very nice slim packaging and some paperwork. Now let's get into this paperwork. Just a quick start guide, some important information and some drivers and utilities one would probably not need with Windows 7. Now let's get rid of this plastic. So this is what comes inside the box of the Logitech keyboard. Now let's connect it to my computer and the hub in my Dell screen. Back. And power the computer up. As you can see, the keys light up. Here we have a button to control how much the keyboard is lit. Really bright, not so bright, off and off. Now let's turn it back on really bright and do some close-up shots. Okay, now you can hear how nicely this keyboard sounds when typing. So this was the unboxing of this Logitech illuminated keyboard. Thank you for watching and please feel free to leave a comment and to subscribe.